Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI.
And this is something that I like to keep in my medicine cabinet. This is Naproxen sodium tablets, 220 milligrams, and this is from Amazon Basic Care. These are for use as a pain reliever, fever reducer, and there's some nice features about this particular bottle. One, I do like that there's a child safety cap. Two, I like that there are 300 caplets in this, so it lasts for quite a while. It is also an affordable and really convenient option. The caplet shape is awesome because they are super easy to swallow. These caplets can last for up to 12 hours of relief, and you can see here that they are a nice small size next to this chapstick, so definitely easy to take and easy to swallow. So if you are looking for an option for naproxen sodium for your medicine cabinet,
Then I would recommend this, and that is my point of view.